board. The board divided over the future of Coach Ouattara. 70%
normal.
70% want him out.
Normal.
30% led by Dr. Nyahota Makru calls for patience.
Regular. Normal.
Sunday will be his determining game.
Yeah, tia. Yeah, man, say we Pando a determining game. I heard that here.
Tama, enuna.
Mete.
Oh, Pando, na se Pando na ko fast ma bay.
Amuga Pando.
Pando na ko fa division na ba no. Se first in there na omo ni ko ye meeting. Emma, woman cry issue statement ka say obi anta na chi. Enti after that na say afa division abem ama I 70-30 timer. It is an issue. Yanti mean brushing aside sir.
The one kind no.
What there but there what no. There be there's a development.
Coach no obey na juma.
Obey na juma say ya.
Obey.
Timer. Yo. As we can have one bonus so crowd.
I don't bonus so am na mfa na juma.
Otiwa de chibia na amafo am share to wo mo. Na no Kotoko ni bi ka say bra. Ese Kotoko de T4 ni bi na we come by 5. Also o match to. This time around on 5. I'm so better on who you at in the pa. Na ye mo mpa ya say we want na ho sa. Nti ye hwe say ejawo de wo say nyanya no nam ho no. A crowd of folk are in a quagmire, frantically ranging around for an alternative venue around the country. Koforidua, Cape Coast, Takwa, Abrankase, and Obuasi are their possible destinations. Emergency meeting this morning between Ghana Football Association, National Sports Authority, and House of Folk to decide where has place. Tama, Accra Stadium want to. Who say no can some babo no ho.
And one am dey gina.
And no ka president catch every president say masa enum ga say dey after the yabro so.
But say no ne na.
Say aso o kan no.
No gasa we.
And no omuhia wo CAF program bi ase.
And o ka say.
And o say ne ferry na ne how say oman ana team obobo na bebia oman ma no ebetima be hia na mo bobo na mo tima be hwebie no na akonya ni ho na yiwa akoto atwene be bi say ho na kosi wakan ade ay fere papa
na say na nyo ne omo bobo bebre Africa is omdoso. So you know he was not referring to Ghana.
No of them ni nyina ye Ghana.
He was not referring to Ghana.
Yeah, be ko si enko boy. Na ye nye kwan ye fa so ye say ye kwi.
We are playing at Accra Sports Stadium. On the 11th of October, Ghana versus Sudan. And crying, I go from us.
A new woman too.
Let's say, oh, we have a town of Queen, no my headline, no as someone. Accra Sports Stadium. Accra.
It is a House of Folk. They are wandering. Looking for where they can pitch their tent.
Okay.
Tama asana ayo how kakra.
Anyhow.
How's the situation on some ball?
I'm calling Legon.
Legon bay.
I said Legon City's ball Legon.
I'm calling Legon.
Legon City's ball Legon this weekend.
It has no alternative venue.
And found. I think you pay some fine.
There are the two venues.
Yeah, a force magic. Natural. Yeah. It's not your making. It's not your making.
I no pay any house din ko we dey yakọ house for you pursue wo via the producer and so and akwa na e frɛ wo say any meeting wo ho enti be kwa kwetena se.
But they have a venue ahead of the meeting.
House of Folk.
University of Ghana Park no so.
E ho na isi ade dom kuku no mkaka kobo.
Yeah, but that's the likely alternative. It's the easiest alternative also.
No, we are not pick a second venue and then
I'm some second venue
alternative.
Where's second venue? Who baby Aboubakar for first and second.
You know, but I also hear be am you say either ho. Takwa da ho. Obuasi so. Say has one omnya first one ball.
No.
Has one ball.
Legon no ha.
Ba for suggest.
Enti say Legon no fit for purpose today.
Me say this weekend Legon City's ball medium hour.
Say has in Legon City's.
I do ask now again.
Say has in the Kessian.
Kessian. Once it's a place that Premier League matches can be played, and that club no, and now what do that? And I won't be say has been a baby one.
Oh, time.
No, come baby at home penny. You can't be at home penny. I've heard my best to go Obuasi Takwa Adeng.
Takwa so time baby I come out. So and you go so I heard baby has be kwakunya. Na ya heard say but in the meeting no. So more venue even ahead of the meeting. Nti am ko am kan chon say na pick. Na I want to say national sports authority for the so.
Yeah.
I think
University of Ghana for
legal authorities for
nti school for there.
The end the idea man some boy like legal for no call the end the animal boy.
Say as school for no penny say o me team no abi use wa. So
but for I'm say one number say born na number so.
Kotoko moved to Obuasi finally confirmed, but they will have to fork out 10,000 Ghana cedis per match before they can play at Len Clay. Intensive preparation ongoing, but will they pay as they were made to believe the play has been given to them for free? Tama, initially no money say the amount so the money couple that will be
and I have issues with that, but I say will be a headline. You see, at that level of discussion in Sefa Stadium, man, it's not made believe. Who got national can't say na? Who did home come? Well, who can't say that's where she will be or Quanchen was they were made to be. Who was made to believe?
Tama, the stadium.
Who was made to believe?
Who's a proposal no for Kotoko to move from stadium no? Every mines ni mu hono ne buy.
Wherever it comes from, you sit down and discuss conditions at the back. Who made one believe?
I say we pa mint mean can but unim say city. How's those discussions ni nyina ekoso no? Omo the charges na ba no, they were not part. No can make at time didi.
Ye nyina esu nim kakra o. Nya nkwa na ya unimu. Ye di ni ewa. Point ni say medini fie na ma ko use no is different from conditions around it. And so bi ka just what you abrochi nti ko tena ni fie use a. Or the fie na ma. By name e be mo ready to use the park no has some cost. So if they ask you to bear that cost, any charges, obi any or charge or rent. And he say na no money ho na we obi any kakra. Now we dey because just
say prepare pitch.
Nipa no afie no be say o da ho, obi you see. But there are a lot of things that will make the place so comfortable for you. So if they ask you to pay that one, yeah, made believe you.
Dressing room,
I'm a bit to say I'm
surprised. I'm
surprised with the made to believe, because what I'm made the minimum is that almost as Shami and is Kotoko will take charge of the stadium on match days. Every activity there, I'm gonna be on BBA, I'm gonna music on Major, so they'll pay the 10,000. Now stadium on my own stadium on match days. In Tenafina, we na any stadium authority BBA. And the
10,000 is for a reason.
Say renting.
It's for a reason.
Because stadium no.
Is it for renting or for what?
It's all for renting.
You see, mo say you bubble boss na be see be na me gina no prepare.
Because they have to prepare the ground. We are grass.
I said video na that
after match day bia.
Bon, me ba ko so aka ho ntino.
Said no asami you so ka asami you would be tidy. That was the only thing that the club a club license. If initially it was almost original club line was region by region.
VIP no.
Region beyond you were I'm told when those in charge of Asante or this side choir, they were not happy with the pitch.
They asked good pitch.
Yes.
The Obuasi pitch. Wow.
Some they are not happy with it.
It's one of the best.
And I'm saying paying for no, just cutting, be away. But they have to tidy the place. Meaning what tidy means. Even
baby I know pre-match with pre-match technical meeting can some prep round. Then I have videos na no we demo prep round because on office on they say no be a news officer. Dressing rooms you be CC any other. So it counts with some amount of cost. So keeping the place.
Tibet you any better one.
Yes, yellow, no other thing.
Yellow, they're saying advertisement. I'm talking about.
No, the end. Kotoko, we don't want to own the stadium on match days, Just say the place will be decorated with Kotoko's. If more sponsors are, they will put it there.
No, but these are imprint. Like, let's when they are printable.
Sticker. And to me to be
Jumbe Wawa.
And I bet me to be a cataso.
To also know some Kataso.
Debbie was also
I knew be
and I was baby away down and you're likely some better touch it. They are more likely to touch the old park and so. So if on the field no more pitch panel be
I bet you do they have what the agreement and normally as good well relative to the normal sponsor and answer park no. So I'm sure by now it's chum. By now whichever agreement they have.
I think I saw one picture beer park no so no omo nyoma ho. So I think they will have to work on that side you know and fix it. Nti omo fix it on the anache say as a ejumana ba form and the rest na dane yen konkon. Go me to minim say Kotoko abrankese for instance ebrana nte ko abrankese a Dr. Kwame Chei ne sponsors no ebi wo ho. So I remember say Kotoko and they covered those sponsors no because that time any nations hope and also na Kotoko nations were oil sponsor. Omo company produce oil sponsor omo and na Kotoko so company produce oil a sponsor omo, so they had to cover that to avoid any form of conflict. Intimate sure say Kotoko no so could do Obuasi am to no more trans no more say sponsors no either say pitch pan on no be
okay baby. No cry say bibia da ho we din no abonsa ana
or they will take it na me ma
no we say wo kra na say
no tell me so to me ma abrankese de no
okay
there was there is an oil company that sponsors nations
Unity Oil and Oil Company
say oil company so
okay na me okay me magic call me say
na Kotoko so
company fufra
Kotoko so oil company sponsor
Kotoko so obi
yeah go
but everything they na
yes so they needed to fix that one until so call and omo yi ho no omo yi no omo kata so and omo yi
office way
yeah
okay office way business office one
room way no say no more proud
so the offices no
yeah so no me technical meeting
Technical meeting
tiness omo yi ho nyina na omo prepare ho nyina cause na I
when it tidy no okay so he said Kotoko Sunday
yeah
okay
Akahas
how's that
Saka be go so Sunday
I'm a ball gone
what's the house match na 6 p.m.
I'm a ball gone
it's still 6 p.m. now
the almost Saturday
so change venue there you change time
So Legon has a floodlight.
Good one.
On the ball African games no. And you no. It had a very good floodlight.
The question is one be taking care of that cost.
Na say no Accra no one be taking back the non come take cost of Accra no. Or not be taking cost no Legon.
But clubs, would they not start thinking about having their own? I'm one person. I've never supported them investing in stadiums, but I say gradually
we are getting there.
We are getting there. At least Kakano more
5,000.
You see, they have Pobiman, they have Adakojachi. One of the arenas, can they develop